snakes.
Look at it.
It's lovely.
Oh, you use them people? Use them?
I'm his uncle.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you remember Gene, my brother Gene, you wouldn't remember him.
Oh, you from where?
Canaries. You've been...
I got to go at me second highway. Hold
Yeah,
on.
but you've been on my land.
Snakes. Yeah.
You've been up Terre Blanche to
Well,
look for snakes.
he or she's heavy.
I mean, you've been either you or your brother or whatever.
You is Morgan?
She's going to
Yeah,
go.
Morgan.
She's going round that way.
You've been to Terre Blanche.
She's going round the
Oh,
back
Yep, go for your ass. Yep, do you want to lick your ass?
That's the one. That's
Matthew there.
yeah, Salop
of
Blanche.
me. She's moving.
Okay.
You can't go on the floor, young lady. You can't go on the floor. I don't mind saying there's nothing wrong with it. Touch it.
No, thank you.
Touch it.
No, thank you.
You're like Chelsea. Chelsea's
No,
petrified.
I'm not petrified.
There's
It's just,
nothing wrong with snakes.
I've been taught that's the serpent, man. No, thank you.
It's not going to hurt
They're
you.
pussycats.
I know they're pussycats.
There she goes. Look that way. Not my way. The other way. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are.
Well, that's you screwed tonight. You've got to... She's going to give you the old elbow for the old snake.
For the snake, yeah.
You're beautiful. Is it male or female?
This is a male.
Male.
Yeah.
He's lovely.
The females are bigger, aren't they? The
Yeah.
females.
Oh,
yeah.
really? Okay. Never knew that. You're absolutely gorgeous.
Est-ce que vous avez des bouts?
Oui, yes. Ça c'est yes for moi.
And now because I've got you, you're silent, aren't you? Now you're not wriggling.
Oh, c'est où tu vas marier des points go bet
Oui, c'est ça.
Là ton même des belle dollar, il a le plaisir dollar.
Ah, tu vas moins fond. Il fond moins.
Là. Tu vas là. Tu vas là où bon oui.
What's it?
Nous devons là vie.
Oui. Pas tout.
You're very photogenic, aren't you?
Timmy.
He's looking, look. Oh, you're new.
Yeah,
I'm going to go to you. He's moving towards you.
Yeah, he's got to sneak.
No, he's not.
Get his body.
Albi.
Oui, yeah,
His
him and
body round here.
Oh, I'll be involved in that money too.
Oui. I'll be.
Okay. So I'll be taking
His back end's moving.
Well,
Picture.
but the boy.
Look at this view down here.
The boy give him some money.
Yeah, they had something going on. Yeah.
Get over your fear, honey.
Through view. It's not a fear.
It is a fear.
It's
You
a
say
phobia.
it's a phobia.